Hello and welcome back to my channel, and as you can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be doing a curly hair routine. I am absolutely in love with this routine because there are only two products. That's four. There's two products only. If you would like to see exactly what I do and what I will be doing this upcoming season, Miss Spring, hello, hi, how are you? I'm excited for Miss Spring to come through. But if you would like to see my routine, then just keep on watching. Okay, this is my hair freshly out of the shower. I will input the shampoo and conditioner that I use. Those are not something that I'm super like consistent on, so 1 month it might be something different rather than the next month, just because I just usually go for something that says moisture and moisturizing, and that's what I pick, you know, whatever I'm feeling that day. But this is my hair straight out of the shower with no product. I would say like about a year ago, almost a year ago, I had a really bad experience with a hairstylist, and she basically fried off half of my hair, and my hair has grown so much from that point. But I think that I am officially done with trying to change my hair color for now in the foreseeable future. But anyways, the first product that I am going to be using is this Mielle. This is the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. This smells so good. Okay, I use this. I get compliments, people walking by like, oh my gosh, your hair smells so good. Yes, this is exactly what I use. I love this. Okay, I need to get a new bottle. You can get this at, I think, like any drugstore. You can get this at Walgreens. I don't know, it's probably CVS, Target, Walmart, anywhere like that. So I divide my hair in half because my hair, you see, it naturally just went to a middle part. I always have had a middle part. I've never tried a side part. It would be very interesting to see what I look like with a side part. Like, I don't know, it was never in the cards for me. So I take it and I just distribute it all throughout my hair, just kind of like making sure that, you know, the strands feel covered. There's no like particular way or rhyme or reason that I go about this. I just pick up the product, get a handful, and then I go in with another one, spread it out on my hands, and I go right in the same way. Sometimes I'll rake it through, sometimes I'll smush it through like this. It really just, you know, depends. And then when I don't want my edges to look really crusty and I want them to look hydrated and moisturized, I go ahead and do like another pump or so in my hand, and I get that and go right in the front of my face, because I want those curls that are around my face to be juicy as well. So I don't want no curls that are, you know, not juicy. We're juicy curls all 2026. Okay, this is by The Dew. This is the honey dip. This is a honey butter gel, so it is a soft hold creamy gel. Crazy cream gel mixture, hybrid, whatever you want to call it. This, I am in love with it. Like, the bottle is almost empty. I'm so sad. I need to go get some more. You can get this, they sell The Dew at, they sell it at Walgreens, I think. I've seen it in there. Target. I don't know if I've seen The Dew in Walmart though. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, Target, you can get this in, and then online. So it's really your preference. But this, the texture of this is like really weird. It is exactly what it says, like a creamy kind of gel. Like, look at that. Ooh! And it does have a slight honey smell to it. So if you do not like honey, then you probably will not like the smell of this product. But it's like moisturizing plus hold, you know? I don't know how else to describe this kind of product. I don't know. But yeah, I really love this. It makes my curls feel super moisturized, and the crunchiness that a lot of gels have, this does not have. Like, my curls do not get crunchy after they are set with this gel, which is a plus. So now that I have all the products in my hair, I'm going to flip my head over. I'm going to flip my head to the side like this, and I'm going to scrunch, 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 scrunch. Now that the product is in, feel free to do whatever routine. I know some people use a brush, some people finger coil. I like to scrunch because I just feel like it gives the best natural looking curl. And yeah, so continue to scrunch, flip it, twist it, turn it, whatever side you want to do. All in all, this routine takes less than 10 minutes to do. It's only 2 products. Like, hi, hello, I used to be a girl that did like 10 products in my curly hair routine, and to cut it down to 2 products, amazing. Wow, chef's kiss. I love it. This is the routine. Let me try and zoom in so you can maybe see how juicy the curls are. Can you see how juicy she looks? That's how the curls turn out, okay? Now, if you are a person that does not like wet hair, doesn't like to go outside in wet hair, because I understand the feeling, but girl, sometimes I just don't be caring. I really don't care at this point anymore. You can go ahead and diffuse your hair at this point, but me personally, I just, you know, I'm just gonna let it air dry naturally, and these are the results that I get. This is what my hair looks like when my hair is fully dried, and I am in love. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more of me in this space, subscribe to the channel because your girl is doing her big one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.